Hey guys, welcome back to Money is Blind podcast. I'm your host Prasoon. This is the show for blind persons. If you are blind or visually impaired, and if you want financial freedom, you should consider starting an online business. And through this podcast, I give you my journey. I share what I've gone through to create multiple online businesses as a blind entrepreneur. I'm still facing problems. It's not going to be an easy ride, but you're going to learn a lot of lessons being an entrepreneur, particularly a blind entrepreneur. So welcome back, guys. Yesterday I talked about an audio computer, a new device that you can use to improve the way you communicate with this world, how you can get your tasks done in a different way. Right now we are only using our mobile phones and computers to get our online tasks completed. But when this thing is going to be released, we will be depending more on this personal assistant, which is also a computer, to get our tasks completed. In this episode, I would like to introduce another business opportunity for you guys. So as I mentioned yesterday, this audio computer is a computer which has its own operating system, and the company which is doing this, it is going to be the first one. It is not like our Siri or Google Assistant. It has the shape and form structure of an earbud, something like Apple AirPods that you can plug into your ears and talk with, just like Tony Stark did in his Iron Man movie with his computer Jarvis. So thing is that the company is inviting developers to create apps, and these are audio apps. These apps can be built with code, and if you jump into the wagon right now, this industry is a brand new one, and as blind entrepreneurs we can contribute to this new technology. We can create apps which are suited for the blind community. We can create apps which are going to make the lives of blind persons easier and save time and money. Whichever type of computers that you take, whether it is your mobile phone, irrespective of the operating system, whether it is Android, iPhone, whether it is your MacBook, Linux or Windows computers, all these are operating systems, and there are apps that you can install on top of these operating systems. And these apps, these are the real thing which brings value to these operating systems. And the lack of these apps, the lack of development in these apps is one of the reasons why Windows Mobile shut down several years ago. 5 to 10 years back, there was one more operating system when it comes to mobile devices. It was called the Windows Mobile operating system, and it was launched by Microsoft in collaboration with Nokia, and they had to ditch it because most of the developers and the brands and businesses, they stopped developing apps for this platform. We should not allow the audio computer technology to be just like that, because this thing is going to be useful not just for the blind community but also for the sighted ones. Imagine the number of hours the sighted community is watching screen. Young kids spending hours and hours in front of mobile devices, laptops or TVs. We can get that number down and still make their life productive, make their time more effective by using audio computers. And for that we need apps. We need hundreds and thousands of apps. And if you are wondering what business to start, I would highly recommend you to get into this field. It's brand new. It is based on AI, so it is going to be future proof. It will be easy to scale, and once you find the right type of market, once you find the right kind of app that is going to be useful for many types of persons, once people understand the value of your audio app, once they are ready to pay you money for the app that you are going to build, you have a successful business. And that is the first way And I think the only way that you can change around your life from being desperate, miserable, and hopeless into something which is more exciting, contributing to the society, and even fulfilling your own life in the process. So think about it. You can search on the internet for audio computers and of course watch that video by Jason Rugallo on TED. You can search Jason Rugallo TED video on Google and find that video. Go watch it, get some inspiration, watch the demo that I mentioned yesterday, and if you missed yesterday's episode, go back and listen to that one also. So on that note, I'm signing off. It's great talking to you guys. We'll be back tomorrow. You guys take care. Bye-bye.